Hi guys, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Shikha. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to create this partial cut crease eyeshadow look. So let's start by filling in the eyebrows. For that, I'm going to use Hilary Rhoda eyebrow palette. I'm using the darkest shade, and with the help of a brush that comes along with the palette, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. And by using the spoolie, I'm going to make it look more even. Moving on to the next step, I'm going to prime my eyes using O2O primer in the shade 1.0 Natural. It's going to provide a nice base before the application of eyeshadow and will also help to even out the eyelid area. Now after applying the product with the help of a brush, I'm going to use sponge to even it out. To set my eye primer in place, I'm going to use Swiss Beauty Prime and Set Translucent Powder. I'm using the same sponge to apply the product. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use Spotlight palette from You Can Be brand, and I'm going to use this brown shade as my first transition shade. With the help of a blending brush, I'm here applying the product just above my crease line. For the second shade, I'm going to use this brown shade with a red undertone, and I'm going to apply it on my crease line. Apply the eyeshadow back and forth until you get the blended look. Next, I'm going to apply the black eyeshadow on the outer V of my eyes. And with the help of a pencil brush, I'm going to drag it to the center of my eyelid. To make it more blended and seamless, I'm here using a clean blending brush. Using the same O2O eye primer, I'm going to cut my crease, setting my eyelid using the same translucent powder. I'm going to use these two shades to remove the harsh lines from the corner. To get the maximum product on your eyelid, just gently tap with the help of a brush. The color seems fine to me, so now moving forward to apply the yellow shade on the rest of my eyelid. For eyeliner, I'm going to use Maybelline Colossal Bold Eyeliner. I'm here applying the winged eyeliner. I'm here cleaning the edges of my eyeliner to make it look more sharp. For waterline, I'm going to use Max Factor Electric Blue Eye Pencil. After lining my waterline properly, I'm going to smudge it with the help of an angular brush. To make it more colorful, I'm going to use this dark green shade just below the blue shade. Next up, I'm going to smudge the edges of green eyeshadow with the help of a yellow eyeshadow. To highlight my inner corner and brow bone, I'm going to use Angel Rose highlighter in the shade Gold. To tagline my eyes, I'm going to use Blue Heaven Kajal in the shade Black. To get that sparkly look, I'm going to use Hilary Rhoda Silver Eyeliner. I'm here applying the silver eyeliner just above the black eyeliner. My mascara application clip got accidentally deleted. I have applied Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. So that's it for this video. I really hope you like this look. If you like this look, let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.